Thank you for staying with Republic. I'm Swesha Savant and cutting across to our next story. Now, as decided by the CBSE of a reduction of 30% syllabus for classes 9 to 12 given the pandemic and it being a non-academic year. Now, this has stirred a massive political controversy because the opposition is now claiming that the syllabus that has been cut out actually includes lessons on secularism. Mamata Banerjee has put out a tweet to this effect that reads, and I quote, "Central government has dropped topics like citizenship, federalism, secularism and partition in the name of reducing CBSE course during COVID crisis. We strongly object to this and appeal to the HRD ministry and centre to ensure these vital lessons aren't curtailed at any cost." So this is a claim that is coming in from Mamata Banerjee as she has objected to the course that has been reduced for classes 9 to 12, which according to her included lessons on federalism, secularism, citizenship and partition. And she is now blaming the centre, saying that this is a deliberate move by the government. My colleague Anuj will be joining us very shortly to give us more details on what exactly has been reduced from the syllabus. But Anuj, of the kind of political controversy that has shot off from this very move, Madhurima, I beg your pardon, Madhurima, not Anuj, is with us on the phone line. Madhurima, if you could give us further details to the reduction in the syllabus, the political controversy that has shot off, and what exactly is the truth behind the story?
Yes, the CBSE in a recent statement has clarified that whatever media reports, after looking at the media reports, it has said that all these criticism which is coming in and the rationalization which has been done has been interpreted differently. And contrary to some of the impression which is being created, it is not what is being perceived by the media reports. It says that the rationalization of up to 30% has been taken up by both on around nearly 190 subjects from class 9 to 12 for the academic season 2020 and 2021. The board has clarified that no questions shall be asked from the reduced syllabus in the exam for 2021 only. And in the alternative academic calendar prepared by NCERT for transacting the curriculum, such topics will be covered. And this is as far as what we have received now. So the CBSE has said that whatever the portion of the syllabus has been rationalized so far will be covered lately, and the controversy relating that perception of the entire syllabus is different, and nothing of that sort. Further details will be coming up, and we'll be updating it soon. That's it.
All right, we wait for the same. Meanwhile, some reactions also coming in from the Congress. Let's listen into what is being said.
Well, I welcome this decision because this is perfectly proportionate to the amount of loss of classes the students of class 10 and 12 have suffered. So this is perhaps adequate compensation for whatever loss they have suffered in their studies.
देखिए, कुछ ना कुछ रास्ता निकालना होगा, पर हमारे विद्यार्थी जो पढ़ाई करना चाहते हैं उनके लिए कुछ ना कुछ एचआरडी मिनिस्ट्री को भी रास्ता ढूंढना होगा। सिलेबस कट कर देने से या वो करने से मैं नहीं मानता हूँ कोई सही रास्ता